Hello guys, Ali, and today we have video unboxing of the new Huawei Mate 20. So this is the new flagship from Huawei. This is not the Mate 20 Pro but the ordinary one, as the Pro is not currently available here in Kuwait. This phone has triple camera. The first one is a wide angle camera, which is I think 8 megapixel. The normal camera is 12 megapixel and the telephoto lens is 16 megapixel. So the box is plain. Here is all the information. It's the twilight color. It has 128 gigabyte of storage. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM, and I think it has a 8-core processor. So let's get right into it. So every Huawei phone comes in this nice matte box with just the Huawei Mate 20 and the camera. So let's open it. First we can see the phone, which is absolutely gorgeous. So let's put this on the side and let's see the accessories. So first we have it comes with a case. We have this nice silicone case, and we have a SIM ejection tool right in the box. And I forgot about the manual. So here you can see the power plug thingy. Here is the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And here is the normal 3.5mm headphone. So let's see about the phone. So the phone feels really smooth. I think it's due to the 6 gigabyte of RAM and the octa-core processor, but it feels really nice in the hand. The back panel is made up of glass, and sadly it's a fingerprint magnet. Front camera has a megapixel count of 24. So let's test that in perspective. So first let's have our subject here. This is the normal camera, the normal lens, which is 12 megapixel. It's sharp and good. This one is the telephoto camera, and this one is the super wide angle. So you can see around the objects. It's the super wide angle, and it's the normal camera and the telephoto one. So it's a really crispy camera. I think this has the second best camera score out of the main cameras in 2019. The one that beats it is the Mate 20 Pro. And the feature that they added, I think this year, is like when you enter an app and then you want to exit, there is no button. So it's a true full display without the chin here. So you just like the iPhone, just swipe and then you hold and you enter the menu. So yeah, this phone is really a stunner. And I forgot to mention the display is Full HD 1080. Sadly it's not a Quad HD display, but it's an LCD and the color is really vibrant and the contrast is really good, so no need for Quad HD here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video, and see you next time. Bye.